Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix Face ID not working on your phone. So first of all, you're just going to go to general and see if there's any software updates, and you're just going to want to update your software. And then you're also going to restart your phone. Now, once you're done with that, you're just going to go to the Face ID section. Oh, it's here. Sorry, I sometimes miss apps. So I just entered your password, and then here you're just going to scroll down. If you have it on, you're going to select reset Face ID. If it's not on like this, you're just going to set up Face ID here. So make sure you do that first. Then once you're done and it still doesn't work, you're just going to go back. If it's a new phone, I suggest you to just reset your phone first. So scroll down in general and select transfer or reset phone and select reset here, and I'm just going to select reset all settings. Those are pretty much the things you can do if your Face ID is not working. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.